Hello everybody, welcome to this review. Today we have Mckay Can Crusher. I bought this one before and actually it's really good, especially if you drink a lot of soda, beer. In a can, this can crush. Can crush the small can, the 16-ounce cans, the bottled water cans. This is the best. Okay, the installation is very simple. The only thing you need is to find a stud. So you need to have a stud finder. So there should be one over there. Let's also check inside the box what they give you. There are different colors. There is blue, black, American flag. I don't remember. You can check it. There are the screws. There is the device. As you can see, it's very tall, so you can put a water bottle or the longer cans. Okay, all done. Let's do a test. Regular beer. We have the longer cans. And like I said, we can do also bottled water. You put it without the cap. It goes perfectly in the hole. And then you put the cap on top. And now you have your bottled water. I forgot to mention there is also the bottle opener here, so it's very easy. I don't have any bottle to open, but as you can see, you can use it here too. So this product, it's great. It works great. It saves a lot of waste. You can put in the trash can for recycling. So that's all for this review. See you next time. Bye!